The war in Gaza has reached a critical stage. Israeli forces have entered Rafah and continuing with their genocide of the Palestinian people. Action must be taken, and the whole world must stand together to stop the systematic killing of the Palestinian people. I will be joining the worldwide boycott on Friday, the 10th of May, to show solidarity with the people of Gaza and Rafah. This is how you can join us.
This is a call to people of conscience worldwide to conduct a global strike this Friday, the 10th of May. Israeli forces have now entered Rafah and are carrying out the final stages of genocide. We must take action in solidarity with the people of Gaza and demand an immediate ceasefire. On Friday, the 10th of May, we call on people worldwide to do three things. Number one, don't work. Number two, don't buy any goods or services. And number three, do not conduct any transactions on your debit or credit card. The aim is to deliver a shock to the global economy and send a powerful message to world leaders to fulfill their moral, political and legal obligations to take all necessary measures to prevent genocide. Spread this message by recording your own video or photo or drafting your own message to declare that you will join the strike. Share your message on all social media platforms, including X, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, TikTok, or any other platform. This initiative has no political leader or central organizing body. It will succeed through each individual hearing this message and taking action to the best of your ability. We must let world leaders know that the power of the people is greater than the people in power. Join the global strike and rise for Rafah.
Please spread this message and rise for Rafah.